Snowstorm. Hope you guys can hear me because I'm just doing a screen record and I'm gonna upload this in my channel. Yeah. And I think I'm gonna make a TikTok account about like Toka Boka. I don't know, but I'm gonna just upload this in my channel. So yeah, let's start the roleplay. Wait, this is so tagal. Okay, start roleplay. Wait, I need to pause. Part one of the snowstorm. And guys, PTW, may halong Filipino to guys. So, na, ugly style dito guys. So, yeah. Let's go. Oh, ano yun? Putik. So, let's get started. What time is it? Why is it so cold? Why is it so cold today? I'm gonna put my glasses. Okay, I don't have my phone with me, bro. What the heck? Oh, here it is. Okay. Oh my god, it's already. It's 6 p.m. Why is it so cold? I need to wake up my husband. Me. Ugh. I'm sleeping. Ugh. Why is it so cold in here? I know that's the same question I'm asking you. Like, wait, I wanna put on my glasses real quick. Why is it so cold? I don't know. Well, I guess I'm gonna go. Ding, 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 ding. What is that? Wait, let me just check here. Hello? Oh, it's the news. Hello, I'm the newscaster for today. There is a ano daw? Snow, ano ba, Lee? Merong snow na mangyayari ngayon. Huh? Ano siya? There's actually a snowstorm. That's why it's so cold. Yeah, I know. I'm gonna go and have a heater in the baby's room because like we don't want Oakland like getting cold, you know? Okay, okay, honey. Okay. I'm gonna get an Oakland. Wait, guys. Okay, guys, I got some heaters. Pretend, guys, that these are heaters. I don't have the real ones. So yeah, these are just heaters, and I saw this in like a video, but yeah, I don't have heaters. Okay, let me put this in the baby room. Like, girl. By the way, I'm using a. Oh my god, she's crying. Oh god. Oh no, she is cry. Actually, she has. I'm just gonna make her a bottle real quick. Oh my god, I'm struggles. Oh my god, girl, I'm struggling. Wait. Okay, back to normal. Let me put her bottle there. Oh, wait, why is it so? Why is it so? Why is it so cold? Oh no, it's so cold. Oh, mommy, daddy, why is it so cold? Honey, there's a snowstorm coming. Oh, that's why. Oh, I'll give you a heater here. Do you want a heater? Yes, Dad, thanks. Here, I can have you a heater. Thanks, Dad. I really need it. Do you want it beside you? Yes. Okay, oh my god! Mhm. Okay, here, just put this on her. I'm just gonna put this in our room. Just because we need it. And I'm gonna go put this in Clara's room. Let's go to Clara. Oh my god! Okay, I'm here in Clara's room, so I'm gonna put this in here. Clara, wake up. Dad, I'm sleeping in. Ano ba yan? Natutulog ako eh. Ay, ba't ang lamig? Why is it so cold in here? Honey, English, please. Dad, you're Filipino, and you can Ba't nga ang lamig? Kasi may snowstorm man. Ay, okay. May, okay. We already have a heater here. So now you can like change the like comfy clothes or anything. And I'm just gonna go to guys, it's so cold. I don't know why is it so cold. I I think Dad already saw like said that it's so cold. But like I don't really like let me turn off the you know because it's so cold and I need to open my on because I think it will be warm. So I can like put this I don't know this one. So I think I'm just gonna go and like because it's cold and I need to go downstairs but I'm not like oh my god, hold it down. Alex, guys, I'm gonna go downstairs. My alarm didn't even wake me up, bro. I have to guys pretend I heard that in my ear. Okay. Oh my god. I just changed my clothes to get upset. Well, I'm still going to my clothes because it's so cold and need like fresh. Oh my god, it's so hot in here. Ah, kind of hot, but it's not that hot. Yeah, warmer, warmer. Just this. I'm gonna say honey, have to see some food out my job. I need to get some food. I do have my food. Think I have. This is from the food that I have. Please, 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 nugget. Bring it to me. I really think that I see it. Well, let's look at it. Let's see. A girl. Girl. My dog is doggy. Okay. That's in the book. Okay, guys, I changed into this headset. I don't have the details. So, like, I don't think I can find it. Yeah, guys, don't have this like that. If you guys do you have any questions, okay, I think it's gonna be warm because it's so cold. It's cold. Thank goodness my dog has a hat, and it gets less warmer. Yeah, guys, so I'm gonna be speaker because it's so warm here. Kinda, but not so that warm. Okay, guys, I'm gonna wear clothes that could make me like safe. I think it's cold. Yeah, I'm just gonna wear this one. Yeah, so cool. Okay, come on, guys. I think we should. I'm gonna put our warmer downstairs just because we need it. Come on, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do some building nuggets with you. No, I can do nuggets. No nugget. Let's go down. Um, yeah, I'm gonna get baby Oakland. Okay, come on. So fast, so cool. Yeah, I need to get one of my favorites. Okay, come on, let's go. I'm not